Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Today I'm showing you a shimmery and glowy no makeup look tutorial. I'm using the makeup brushes from Osmosis. Check out my corresponding blog post for details on each brush, but they are fantastic. I've had a lot of people request makeup brush reviews, and these are available on Amazon and they are very good. So let's get started. I'm using the Osmosis CC Color Correcting Cream, and I like using this during the spring and summer months because it's lighter. And so I actually just apply that with my hands, but you could also use a foundation brush. And now taking the Osmosis Concealer brush, I'm just putting concealer under my eyes to get rid of the tiredness. Now I'm going to use the Chanel Le Beige Cream Blush, and I'm going to put this on my cheeks, and I'm doing this before I add the powder. This is going to give that lovely watercolor look, and it's going to be very subtle and natural. And just builds on it, as you see fit. Now I'm using the Osmosis powder brush. This is my favorite of their brushes, and it is so soft. So I'm going to be putting the translucent powder all over my face and just setting in the cheek. This is a dual-edged brush. One side is eyebrow and the other side is eyeliner. So now I'm just filling in my brows. I'm putting eyeshadow primer on my lids. This is an absolute must, otherwise my eyeshadow runs. And now I'm just going to take a nice vanilla shade, and I will leave what I'm using linked below, but you probably already have this shade in your makeup. Now I'm just taking a light putty colored shade and I'm putting it over my eyelid all the way up to the crease. And just blending that in. Now I'm going to take a shimmery shade and I'm going to put that all over as well. This is going to contribute to the nice glowy luminescent effect. And this is a really nice look for spring. Now I'm going to take their eyeliner brush and I'm just going to take a dark brown shade and fill in the eyeliner. This is not as harsh as when you use an eyeliner pencil. And it's just going to give the makeup a softer look. Okay, I'm using my eyelash primer here. This is from L'Oreal, and I will also be using their Burgundy mascara. You know that's my absolute favorite. So I'm just going to apply the Burgundy mascara. And again, this is a less harsh look than a black mascara. Now I'm going to take the Osmosis highlighter and I'm taking the pink shade and I'm just going to dust the top of my cheekbones. So this is going to provide that light that hits them, and it's just going to be a beautiful luminescent look. Now I'm going to take the Osmosis lip brush. But first I'm applying a base lipstick in a pink shade, and I'm just going to take my Emile Cordon lip gloss in Powdered Rose and just go over that with the lip brush. I'm adding a bit more to my cheeks, and that is the finished look. So this is a really natural look and one that you can easily wear, but people will see a lightness reflecting on your cheeks and in your eyes. So it still provides a really natural look, hence the no makeup look, but there's just a bit of interest and a bit of luminescence to make it lighter for the season. And here's the before and after. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Definitely check out the Osmosis makeup brushes. I will leave them linked below. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time on the Daily Connoisseur. Bye!